how to adjust the settings on your PuqPress Mini. Let's get started. To begin, to enter your settings mode, press and hold that settings button for 5 seconds. After that, you can use your up and down arrow keys to adjust this setting. Those are the plus and minus keys. You can choose between 3 modes, P0, P1, and P2. P0 and P1 are double tamps. The first is your speedy mode, which is a normal tamping speed of 1.5 seconds. P1 is going to be your precise mode, which is a slower retraction of the tamper base, just a little bit slower than the speedy. And then P2 is actually just a single tamp. When you've chosen your mode, go ahead and press the settings button again to save that mode and exit. In order to enter the cleaning mode, just press and hold your settings button for just a couple seconds, and your tamper will pop down and allow you to clean it out. Press that down again in order to retract it. In order to toggle between the different pounds of pressure or kilos of pressure, press your plus and minus button to toggle between those options, between 20 and 60 pounds if you're in the United States. Otherwise, just use that switch on the back to turn your machine on and off. Hope this video was helpful. Subscribe and give us a like, and also head on over to our website to check out the Puq Mini and many other great options. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.